back in business, and let's clean out the van from some stuff. I think you can see this. We have a 330 watt solar panel in here, and also some other random stuff back there. But yeah, let's talk that later. But now let's empty the van and let's take the angle grinder with wire brush wheel and let's clean up a little rust inside the van. After we take the bulkhead out, there's a little surface rust, and I think one place needs to be welded also. But let's clean the van and then we can start prepare the paint and take care of the rust. Let's go. My friend made this radiator or heat exchanger actually, and let's see if I can use this when I do the diesel heater installation inside the back of the van. Have some motor oil for the van. Okay, so there's a few boxes of stuff in here that I have ordered already. You can see the few areas that have a little bit surface rust. So this edge here we need to clean, and that side I can show you have the same issue, but this is a little bit worse, so I think there is a hole actually. So the interior need to be rust free, and everything here need to be like in very good condition, because I'm gonna put the insulation in here, so I don't want to open it up anymore. So because now the floor is like a 95% ready. Only thing is the near the bulkhead and under the, or can you say inside the rail system of the sliding door. So that one is so these few spots, and after that we are ready to cut holes in here. Actually I want to cut right now, but I need to make the little weld in here, and if I gonna use the angle grinder, I don't want the sparks to go on the new windows because they're gonna go and melt the plastic. So yeah, enough talking, let's go to work. Now the interior is welded, but I remembered just that I need to weld these in here, so yeah, might do this right now so I don't forget those. So I have many places in here that looks like this. Okay, so these are in bad condition, but yeah, let's cut this open and let's weld some new steel in here. Now doing the hole for the window in here, just get rid of the glue in here. In here also there's some glue, and now I need to cut from the lines. I have here 4 lines. These are about 50 millimeters wider than the hole of the window, because I gotta make a frame from wood. I just measured a few times, and then I get the specific place, and now I just need to cut this frame off first, and then I can continue and cut the steel of the wall. Yeah, let's take out these frames first. So I didn't have any luck with this small one, so let's try the big one. This I didn't have the bigger angle grinder, so I'm using just 125. This is 125, so this is 178. Okay, we have a little failure. Not with this one, but with the camera. I pushed record, but it didn't go, so we didn't catch that. But yeah, it's here. The beam is off, and the wall is pretty flimsy. After we make the wooden frame for the window, I think it's okay. Let's see if you can see better. Okay. Okay, so now we need to make the lines where we can cut, and yeah, let's draw lines and cut. Just that simple, I think. This one is the one you want to cut once. This should be 55. Yeah. 110. Okay, so the memory card for the big camera is full now. So, and I didn't take a spare memory card, so we're gonna go with the GoPro. But yeah, I think it's gonna work. So just gonna attach you on the wall, and we're gonna continue. And I think I need to change the beast. Let's cut hole. Okay, we have a hole in here. Let's check outside what it looks. Okay. Okay, now these are pretty sharp, so need to round the edges and file these down, and then give it a good paint. I think we're gonna use epoxy, and yeah, it's done. happy with the results. So yeah, but let's see. This was actually about 20 or 30 euros. This is a used one, so yeah. But let's see if we can use this or buy a new one. I'll show you outside. Let's see. Looking good. It's not too bad. If you press it, yeah, it goes pretty good. I think this side also. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's looking so nice. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm so happy about this window. But yeah, we have 1% left of the battery, so actually it's now 0. So let's continue tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We still have a couple of windows. Yesterday evening I made a hole for this window for the kitchen area. And now next thing to do is I'll make a hole for the bed area in here. And then we have one more window that's gonna be somewhere in here. And it's gonna be the sofa area or something like that, gonna be in here. And the toilet and the shower area would be around here. But yeah, the next thing is to do is think where I can put the window in here and the small one in there. Yeah. Let's take the window from garage and let's make some measurements where we're gonna put it, because need to know the height of the bed. So I think somewhere around here. Maybe need to take this beam off a little bit. So I bought these windows, like 2 from one guy and another one from one guy. I don't know if you can see, but these are actually same brand, so they look, the corners are same. Yeah, they're green because they're a little bit dirty. Yeah, I need to clean those, but they happen to be the same. This is a Bonoplex and the other one is a Bono car, so I'm really happy with that. And yeah, now I can put the smaller window in here. I think the same height would be good, so they look better outside also. So yeah, somewhere here. Ooh. Okay, all the 3 windows are in. Yes. Ooh. It's getting hot. In the morning was about 14 degrees Celsius, and today it's gonna be about 24, and next week plus 30. Yes, I love warm weather, so that's nice. Now we need to take the windows off, clean the edges, and then paint it with epoxy paint. Now the edges are prepped with this. I think it's a Scotch pad or something like that. And now I need to do some little bit of clean with the acetone or spirits, and then I can apply the second coat. Okay, there's the patch of epoxy coat. So all of these have been already cleaned up with wire brush, and I prepped the surface with the rust primer, what do you call it, like a phosphoric acid. And now I'm gonna just put a nice coat of epoxy primer so we can seal the metal fully. Okay, everything is now painted 2 times with the epoxy. The holes for the windows, the parts, I don't know if you can see the back, the parts for the chassis, the front, bumper brackets, the place for a bulkhead is also painted twice. This one I painted twice. The epoxy I have already welded this one here. It's not pretty, but it's covered by the seal, so don't worry. I also painted this one here, inside here. This is also painted twice now. Now I just need to wait a bit that it dries out so I can put the plastic back on, because it's gonna rain. I already saw in the weather app that it's raining in the southern Finland and in the west part of Finland, but not in here. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you like it. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's see you. I hope, always I'd say the same thing, I hope we get done more things more faster, but I need to do my day job, and yeah, it takes a lot of time. But yeah, see you on the next one, and thank you for watching this one. Bye bye.